Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of May 12th, 2015. The charts we're going to look at come from the Trade Navigator software by Gettess, and I guess you want me to explain this crap to you, huh? This is a weekly bond market chart, and you can see for virtually the entire year 2015, the volatility has been really high. I mean, these weekly ranges are far bigger than they have been here. Looking back to last year, and I think you can assume that this is central banks trading this, not necessarily little individual guys like us. For this week, gosh, we had a 100-tick range just on Tuesday, so we had potential support here at around 153.12 at the projected low, more down here at the lower Keltner band to 151.28. They actually went down through both of those and then turned and recovered them all on Tuesday. Resistance for the week should be up in the 157.04 area here at the lower moving average. That seems like a long ways away, but with this volatility, anything's possible. Heck, I think the middle moving average here is 159.12 to 16. I think that's doable. We don't have a lot in the way of economic news scheduled, at least reports scheduled for the week to drive them, but they seem to be doing just fine, getting driven all by themselves without any help from that. So be on guard here. This is a fairly wild market here. Stocks, well, they're kind of just the opposite. They're very quiet, very much in a sideways pattern. It's been several weeks here just in a really tiny pattern, and they're not that far from where they were at the end of last year. So not a lot has gone on, period, in stocks here. We've got resistance up here at around 2117. Support down here, lower moving average is 2070, give or take a couple points. This middle moving average is 2097.50, and they seem perfectly content to just kind of hang around that level. I'm not sure what it'll take to get them out. I will say, running to new highs like they did back here without any follow-through was really disappointing. So that made them look very negative. But then breaking down and not really being able to go down through support but turning back up again, that's not negative. So, you know, these sideways patterns like this tend to get resolved with a fairly substantial directional move. The only problem is they don't tell you what the probable direction is. It could be down and then up or vice versa. And that's the other issue. The first move out is very often false. And it's really difficult to recognize a false move when it starts. If they start to go, you pretty much have to go with them and then just scramble if they don't go. So, that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with. Thanks for checking in to see how we're looking at things.